In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all emails on Gmail. Let's dive right in and make your email management a breeze. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your email address and password. Once you're inside, navigate over to your inbox or any specific label or folder where your emails are stored. This could be your main inbox, the Promotions tab, or any custom folders you've set up to keep your messages organized. Now, let's talk about selecting those emails. At the top left corner of your message list, you'll notice a small checkbox. Go ahead and click on it. This action will select the emails visible on that particular page. You might be thinking that this is all there is to it, but there's a little more you can do, so stick around. After clicking that initial checkbox, you'll probably see a message pop up, typically saying something like, "Select all conversations in this folder." Clicking on this option will select every email in that folder, not just the ones visible on the first page. This is an incredibly powerful option if you're dealing with a crowded inbox and want to make sweeping changes or quickly clear some space. But what if you want a bit more control over what you select? There's another feature to explore. Right next to that checkbox, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Clicking on this drop-down will provide you with additional options like selecting read, unread, starred, or unstarred emails. This feature gives you the flexibility to choose exactly which types of emails you want to take action on. Once you've selected your emails, the next steps are entirely up to you. You can perform various actions such as deleting emails you no longer need, archiving messages for future reference, or marking messages as read to clear your notifications. These actions can help streamline your email experience and keep everything running smoothly. Remember, managing your email effectively can save you time and reduce digital clutter. So why not give these tips a try? You'll likely find that this approach makes handling your inbox less daunting and far more efficient. There you have it in just a few simple steps. You now know how to select all emails in Gmail. Experiment with these options to see what works best for your workflow. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful digital tips. Happy emailing!